In this video, I am going to show you the best Kodi add-ons for 2025 that you can use to enhance your streaming experience. First on our list is Exodus Redux, a popular add-on for accessing a vast library of movies and TV shows. It offers an intuitive interface and supports multiple sources for high-quality streaming. Next, we have The Crew, which provides a wide range of content, including live TV, sports, and on-demand movies. It's known for its user-friendly layout and regular updates, making it a reliable choice for Kodi users. Another great option is Seren, which focuses on providing high-quality streams with a simple setup process. It integrates well with Real Debris, giving you access to even more content and better streaming options. Don't forget about Venom, which offers a robust library of movies and shows with a sleek design and quick performance. It's an excellent choice for users who want a seamless viewing experience. Lastly, Sport HD is perfect for sports enthusiasts, offering live sports events and highlights across various channels. These add-ons will keep you entertained with diverse content throughout 2025. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.